right, I've had enough. Let's go check out the rainforest. And then we'll come back here for like sunset. Oh, I gotta throw a rock. I need to. It's like a necessity. Whoa. Water. Alright, let's throw a rock. Rock has been thrown. Beautiful. Now I can gladly say that I've thrown a rock on each coast of the United States.
Grab the surfboards, yo. Look at them waves.
Look at them coming in. Woo.
I could tunnel through that easily.
Honestly, thinking about it now, there's probably going to be 0 parking spots to go look at a sunset there, so that's going to be a challenge. Move them out of the way with Lieutenant Van. Just get out of the way, I want to see the sunset! I mean, to be fair, that is only specifically if I go back to that spot. There is definitely more spots down the road. There's actually one on Route 101, which we have to take anyway. So I could look into that. I would definitely like there to be more like island thingy-mabobbers in the shot, but beggars can't be choosers. They only have one day. So it says it's supposed to clear up and be sunny at like 6. So I probably will have to like go back early, even if it means sitting there playing video games on the beach, and then go from there. Next stop is Rainforest, where we will find all of the hoes. All right, I looked it up on, well, I just asked Siri, but Siri told me that Washington is the only state that is named after a U.S. president. Solid. I wonder what state it was. Like, what number? Oh, God. Hey, Siri! Siri said on 1889, in November, I think it said 11th, that Washington became the 42nd state. So what were the last 8? That's my question. Do you want to know what else I've noticed? I've noticed that for I-90 going from Washington to Boston, the best quality of road comes from the states that do not have tolls. So think about that for a minute. Where is the toll money going? I just passed by like 2 divots, not even potholes, just divots, and they were painted neon green and orange. The attention to detail is in every other state besides the ones that have tolls in them. Absolutely ridiculous. Jesus, that was a bump. I did not see that one though. Imagine having a school inside of a national park. What? It's always the Priuses that either go like 9,000 miles an hour or like 5. There's no in between. Remember that thing where I was like, oh my God, there's a sign over there. Maybe I can walk that. This is it. I just drove here. That's not as cool. That's actually like, that's quite boring actually. Shouldn't be able to do that. That's cheating. Yeah, I actually totally did not go down the correct road. I actually took a wrong turn. But we found this spot with the slow ass Prius. They can't decide what the fuck they want to do. People probably think that I pooped myself while walking, but those chocolate chip muffins are deadly. We're at Fort, which is the logging capital of the world, apparently. I did not know that. It makes sense, because every 5 feet, when I was driving in, you would see a logging truck full of logs leaving. This is so awesome. It's like a giant rainforest, because it is one. Insane. In the membrane. Alright, I just saw that their sign said no cash, only credit and debit card. But then I thought about that and I was like, why? I don't understand what the big deal is. They can't have a little cash register in their little huts. Personally, I think denying cash should be like a crime. And the fact that the government is participating in it means we should arrest the government. Citizens arrest. Put them on citizens arrest. Kill them. Arrest them.
Ho or ha?
Alright, we're going to go Hall of the Mosses trail. I wonder if we'll see local legend Randy Moss on the trail. They said no weapons on the trail, so I don't know what to do with this. Sleeved. Can't come out. What is that? That's so crazy. I wish it looked like in person, like how it comes out on camera, but I can only do so much there. That is a tree. Also a tree, but with moss. That is a tree, but it's a curved tree. Might have missed that one, but that's a tree. But it's a hidden tree. Almost a tree. Almost isn't enough, though. That would be a dead tree. That's a tree, or a pair of trees. We call those prisoner trees because they're tied together. That is the Codeybean tree because, as you can see, all the roots are scrambled together and you have no idea what's going on. We're going to call that one long arm tree because of the long, giant arm that it has. And it's hairy. I think you already know. We're going to call that one the holy tree. Oh my god. No way. It's a newborn baby tree. That is a newer species called Extendo Neco Deverendo tree. We're going to name him Kyle. What? I think this would be way better if it was pouring. It needs to start raining. Environment's not as interesting. I crack myself up too much. I can't take anything seriously. I can, but just most stuff I don't. A baby tree. What? Those things are rare. I only saw those things back in the history books. Back when my grandfather, or great-great-great-great-great-grandfather was moving in from overseas and came back to Plymouth on the ship. He's the one that crashed it because he's an idiot, but it just runs in the family, I guess. That has gone reverse for aerodynamics. Oh, look at that shot. Look at me, I'm beautiful. All right, well, apparently I already finished the entire trail. It was only like half a mile. Check that one out. All right, let's go watch the sunset. What? I did it again. Left them on.